Are you considering at-home Pilates? Doing Pilates at home is not only a great workout routine, but also a great investment. In this article, we will discuss the best Pilates equipment for home use. That way, you will be sure that your investment is no guessing game. There is a wide variety of Pilates equipment on the market today, and we've researched and discovered the 10 best Pilates equipment for home use. What is the best Pilates equipment for home use? The best Pilates equipment for home use is the ELINA Pilates Convertible Cadillac-Reformer. This Pilates equipment is a Pilates Reformer and a Pilates Cadillac in one. This means that you get all the benefits of home-based Reformer Pilates within one machine. Added to that, this ELINA Pilates Reformer is convenient and fits well in most spaces, both at home or at the studio. The ELINA Pilates Convertible Cadillac Reformer comes in as the best Pilates equipment for home use because simply purchasing this reformer as your only equipment will be enough for many years of effective private home gym Pilates workout. And now for the lightofhappiness.com reviews of the 10 best Pilates equipment for home. Coming in at number 1. ELINA Pilates Convertible Cadillac Reformer. Best Cadillac Reformer. If you are looking for a top-tier Pilates reformer, then the ELINA Pilates Convertible Cadillac Reformer may be the one for you. ELINA Pilates is a well-respected manufacturer of Pilates equipment. Although they produce many reformer machines, the Cadillac Reformer comes in as the best due to its versatility and compactness. You may be among the people who seek rehabilitative Pilates. If that is the case, then this machine is enough to provide you the support needed. While perfect for studio use, the reformer is also created for the at-home Pilates exerciser. The machine is compact, yet it converts from a Pilates reformer to a Pilates Cadillac with ease, which is why it may be the best home Pilates reformer out. When we delved into the specifications of the machine, we noticed that it has many uniquely amazing features such as drop-in mats for the Cadillac bed, twin size, an anodized aluminum bar adjustable up to 3 heights, and 2 foot straps with a padded foot bar. Added to that, this machine includes a padded trapeze bar with spring collars, 10 trapeze springs with snaps in a variety of colors, 1 solid roll-down bar, 1 pair of fuzzies, 1 pair single loops, and 2 pieces of stability slings. This machine, plus all the add-ons, form the ultimate Pilates home gym apparatus. Now, while beginners are more than welcome to use this machine, it may be best to hire the assistance of a Pilates home trainer or otherwise before getting started. Pros: has a top-tier specifications and add-ons, is not only a Pilates reformer but also a Pilates Cadillac, built for comfort, perfect for rehabilitative Pilates. Cons: none that stick. Coming in at number 2. AeroPilates Premier Reformer. Best home Pilates reformer. For many, Pilates is the premier workout method. If such is the case, then you may want to invest in the AeroPilates Premier Reformer. This Pilates machine is a great choice. It is built for long-term use, which makes it one of the best home Pilates reformers. The machine itself is made from heavy-duty steel and is built for a 300-pound weight limit. The machine is highly recommended for its stability and utility, coming equipped with an extra-large and well-padded platform and carriage. This machine is equally effective for a wide range of Pilates practitioners of all shapes and sizes. The Stamina AeroPilates Reformer is a one-of-a-kind equipment that allows users to enjoy many exercises that range from toning the muscles to working on flexibility or stamina improvement. If you are interested in weight loss or body shaping, then this machine will support you on that journey. It allows more movement of the hips and legs, which is great for women or men looking to tone that area. In terms of specifications, the machine offers a cardio rounder, extra wide curve foot bar, and a moving platform. Users are also given a user manual which acts as a great information resource for all levels of Pilates practitioners. In order to store this machine, users must stow it against a wall. This equipment is not a portable Pilates reformer. It is still great for spaces where space is limited or where there is space to stow and unstow the machine. Pros: excellent for a wide range of Pilates practitioners, perfect for men or women with a weight loss goal, includes a cardio rebounder. Cons: needs to remain stationary on the floor or stowed against a wall, not a portable Pilates reformer. Coming in at number 3. ELINA Pilates Elite Wood Stability Chair with Handles. Best Pilates Chair. A Pilates chair is another form of resistance machine available to the Pilates practitioner. With this machine, users press down on one end that is equipped with springs as a form of resistance creation. This type of equipment is perfect for strength training of the core, arms, and legs. The ELINA Pilates Elite Wood Stability Chair is one of the best innovative Pilates Wunda chairs on the market. This chair, like many others, allows you to lay, stand, or sit on the chair. It also allows for a myriad of Pilates exercises to be performed. Perfect for anyone just getting into Pilates or someone looking to diversify their Pilates private home gym, this machine is unbeatable. The specifications on this machine is really what makes it stand out. This machine is made from stainless steel frame, rubber handle cover, leather seat, and foam padding. It features an adjustable handle that offers 4 positions for each spring. In terms of strength, users get 2 spring strengths, which is all you need for numerous resistance options. The machine also has 2 pedals with the locking and removable and adjustable handles. Last but definitely not least, this machine has wheels, which makes it a breeze to move. Pros: great for resistance training, comfortable, portable. Cons: expensive. Looking to learn more about the best Pilates equipment for home in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Stamina AeroPilates Spine Corrector Barrel. Best Pilates Barrel. A Pilates spine corrector or step barrel is a piece of Pilates equipment geared at enhancing your Pilates workout. It is also used for opening the chest as a way to correct and restore the curve of the spine. If you are doing Pilates and rehabilitative purposes of the back or spine, then this may be a great machine for you. This machine allows users to do postures that strengthen the abdomen, back, and shoulder muscles. The machine works by opening the chest, which opens the body to healing. Apart from that, the AeroPilates Spine Corrector Barrel is great for the person seeking to burn fat or train their muscles. This Stamina AeroPilates Reformer machine is often recommended by Pilates instructors, and with the right training, whether from a personal trainer or other, it'll be perfect for home use. This machine also includes a workout video, which should be enough for basic training and how to use the machine. Pros: perfect for rehabilitation training, helps to restore the spinal curve, well built. Cons: may need to be used with an instructor or advanced training. Coming in at number 5, Amazon Basics Pilates Ring Workouts Exercise Fitness Training. Best Pilates Ring. For toning and strengthening of muscles, we recommend the Amazon Basics Pilates Ring. Pilates resistance is the main reason for equipment use. This Pilates ring is excellent at creating resistance. It is also versatile and allows users to perform a wide variety of exercises. With this, you can straighten many areas of the body such as the arms, back, chest, and core. Now you may be thinking, I can get those benefits from any Pilates ring. Why this one? Well, what makes this Pilates ring stand out is the specifications. This ring has non-slip side handles with this. It is comfortable to hold onto the rings as you perform your exercises. The handles also provide stability, especially when the exercises require the ring to be on the floor. The ring is 14 inches, which is the perfect size for doing a variety of workouts comfortably. With this equipment, you can expect to use it several times as it is of good quality. Pros: great for resistance training, built for comfort, appropriate size. Cons: none that stick. Coming in at number 6, STOTT Pilates Mini Stability Ball. Best Pilates Ball. If you've been in the workout space, you've seen the stability ball. Now, while this tool wasn't created specifically for Pilates, it forms an important part of a Pilates home gym or practice. The STOTT Pilates Mini Stability Ball is not only great for a full body workout, but it is also great for improving body posture. This ball is great for offering support and stabilizing muscles. There are many ways to use a Pilates ball, and so it really forms an invaluable addition. It also assists in building balance and maintaining posture. If you work at home, then this might work out to be a dual investment as you are able to sit on the ball while you work. One unique thing about the STOTT Pilates Mini Stability Ball is material. This Pilates ball is made of durable material that is easy to clean. It also does not have a strong odor, as many equipment of this type do. Pros: great for building balance, offers a full body workout, can be used outside of working out. Cons: sizing matters. Coming in at number 7, SPORTBIT Pilates Flexbands Set with bag and ebook. Best resistance bands. Yes, resistant bands are used within Pilates. Now, this product is a wonderful addition to any Pilates home gym. Pilates Flex Bands take up little to no space and are highly portable. With this equipment, you will be okay to practice Pilates at home, at the gym, at a local park, or even in the office. The Flex Bands by SPORTBIT are made of quality latex. The bands are 10 inches and the pack includes 4 different levels. The length of these bands is the optimum length to support a wide array of Pilates practitioners. With this device, you can expect to get just the right amount of stretch to create the right amount of resistance. They are also flexible, and so once the size matches up, you should have a comfortable workout. In the same light, if the sizing is off, it will be quite uncomfortable. For women who are doing exercises such as glute bridges, you may notice that it rolls up. Other than that, this product is one of the best of its kind. Pros: great length, made of quality latex, great for creating resistance. Cons: may have sizing issues which can make it uncomfortable. Coming in at number 8. Empower Pilates Resistance Band and Toning Bar. Best Pilates Bar. This equipment is both a unique and useful piece of Pilates equipment. The Empower Pilates Resistance Band and Toning Bar is the perfect Pilates bar resistance band combination. One thing that makes this equipment stand out is the material it is made of. The bar is made of stainless steel and is extremely lightweight. The toning bar is also 36 inches long and is able to be folded. This means that the bar reduces to 18 inches, making it perfect for on-the-go or travel workouts. The grip surface of the bar is covered with foam and provides comfort to the user. As far as for resistance, the bar has 2 cords that are 31 inches in length. The cords are covered with fabric, although they are plastic on the insides. This is great as users do not come in contact with the plastic, as well as it allows for a longer lasting product. Pros: offers a Pilates toning bar as well as a resistance band. Excellent grip surface, fabric covered. Cons: may be hard to use for some. Coming in at number 9. STOTT Pilates Deluxe Pilates Mat. Best Pilates Mat. A Pilates mat is much similar to a yoga mat. It essentially is a place to practice your choice of workout on. This Pilates mat by STOTT Pilates is a great addition to a Pilates home gym or even as the first equipment of choice to a newbie practitioner. This mat is thick, measuring 15 millimeters. Due to the thickness, users may find the mat to be very comfortable. It is also suited for elderly people looking to stay active. The mat is also made with durable material and is built for long-term regular use. Pilates mats are also very storable and portable, thus allowing you to practice your art anywhere. The only drawback, as with many other mats, is that if things are placed on top of them, it creates a permanent dent, so you'll want to ensure that this mat is stored away from heavier Pilates equipment and not used as a mat for other things. Due to the build of this mat, users may find that it is easy to clean using water and a few drops of essential oils. Pros: easy to clean, very thick, great for the elderly. Cons: easy to dent. Coming in at number 10. Yoga Socks for Women Non-Slip, Toeless, Non-Skid, Sticky Grip Sock. Best Pilates Socks. In order to add grip, many practitioners wear Pilates socks. These socks are perfect if your Pilates home gym doesn't have the best flooring. We have found that the best Pilates socks are the non-slip toeless yoga socks for women. This pair of socks is perfect for grip control as it has a sticky grip. Made of 70% recycled cotton, 29% nylon, 1% spandex, this pair of socks is extremely comfortable and safe to wear. The toeless design doesn't limit freedom, it enhances it. The material is also wicking, which prevents feet from being moist. Not to mention, it has a beautiful design which adds a bit of style to any wearer. The socks are easy to wash and may be thrown in the washing machine along with other workout gear. Pilates socks form an optional part of a Pilates home gym, but it will definitely be noticeable equipment. Pros: excellent grip control, easy to wash, made with 70% cotton. Cons: made with artificial material, although minimal. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite Pilates equipment. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates. And now for the lightofhappiness.com final thoughts on buying the best Pilates equipment for home. When looking into Pilates equipment, you may be confused as to what to buy first. This list includes Pilates equipment ranging from reformers to Pilates mats. Each piece of equipment serves a purpose, however some may be better suited for you than others. Therefore, in finding the best Pilates equipment for home use, choose the ones that will be most beneficial to your workout regimen now. Looking to learn more about the best Pilates equipment for home in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite Pilates equipment. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates.